Hello, this is number system lesson 1. In this I will discuss base conversion. Now since our childhood we have only studied one number system, that is decimal number system. Decimal number system we have studied since our childhood. Decimal NS. NS stands for number system. In this there are 10 digits from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2 up to 9. There are 10 digits in decimal number system. For example, if I write 587, now this is a unit digit, this is a tens digit, and this is hundreds digit. How we used to expand this number? This 100 digits means we can write this 5 into 10 power 2, 8 into 10 power 1, 7 into 10 power 0. And that is the expansion of this number in base 10. That is why we say that it's a decimal number system. 5 into 10 is power 2, this is 500 plus 80 plus 7. For example, 1324, another number I am taking. Can I say this? This is thousands digit. 1 into 10 power 3 plus 3 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 plus 4 into 10 power 0. Apart from decimal number system, there are other number system also. When I say decimal number system, it has a base 10 and digits. I already told you that 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. 10 digits it have. Binary number system, it will have base 2 and the digits will also 2, that is 0 and 1. Octal number system, the base is 8 and it will by common sense contain 8 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now you can see the base is 8. The largest number in base 8 is 7. The largest number in base 2 is 1. Largest number in base 10 is 9. So duodecimal, the base is 12 and obviously there will be 12 digits, but the largest digit will be 11. But we can't write 11, we will write something else. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9, it's there. These are the 10 digits. Now 2 digits are pending. 10 we write it as A and 11 we write it as B. Why we are writing A and B? Because once we write 11, it will represent 2 digits. But we have to represent the number 11 or 10 in a single digit. So that's why we are represented 10 by A. A means 10 and B means 11. We can't write 10 and 11 because 10 it will contain 2 digits and there will be confusion. So one number is represented by 1 digit. Number 11 is represented by a single digit, that is A, and number 12 by B. When I say hexadecimal, the base is 16. By common sense, hexa means 6, decimal 10. 6 plus 10, 16. It will contain 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2 up to 9. These are 10 digits. Then 10 we will represent A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E and 15 is F. Next is conversion. If you want to convert, let's say, number n1 in any base x to number n2 in base 10, that is decimal number system, you have to expand the number n1 in the power of x. You have to expand n1 in the power of x. For example, 1101, this is a decimal, this is a number in base 2. I want to convert this number in base 10. So what I will do, I will multiply this unit digit 1 with 2 power 0. Expansion is very similar to how we used to expand in base 10. This 0 with 2 power 1, this 1 with 2 power 2 and this 1 with 2 power 3. So expansion will goes like this: 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. And you will get your answer. This is 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So answer is 13. So it means that 1101 in base 2 is same as 13 to the base 10. So we have converted this 1101 into the base 10. Another example is, for example, 011 to the base 2. I want to expand this number in the base 10. Now you don't need to write that much in exam. Simply you have to multiply this one with 2 power 0 unit digit, this one with 2 power 1, and this with 2 power 2, and then add. Now 0 into 2 power 2 is 0, 1 into 2 power 1 is 2, and 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. So answer is 3 to the base 10. You can write as I write in the previous question, but we have to, in aptitude exam, we have to solve the question in the faster manner. So better to simply multiply here itself. Another example I could take, let's say for example 154 to the base 8. I want to convert this number into the base 10. What I will do, I will again expand this number in the power of 8. How I will expand? I will simply multiply this 4 with 8 power 0, this 5, the second digit or 10th digit, with 8 power 1, this 1 with 8 power 2, and then I will add. Now 1 into 8 power 2, 8 power 2 is 64, so 1 into 64 is 64, plus 5 into 8 40, plus 4 into 8 power 0 is 1, 4. So 64 plus 44. Now 60 plus 40 is 100. 108 to the base 10 will be your final answer. That's the shortcut and the best way. Simply write the number here and then multiply. Another example could be, next is 134 to the base 11. Convert this into base 10. Now you should first try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Again, this is a number in base 11. If you want to convert any number in base 10, simply expand the number in its own base. So we will multiply 4 with 11 power 0, 3 with 11 power 1, that is 11, 1 with 11 power 2, that is 121. Now 121 into 1, that will become how much? 121, plus 3 into 11, 33, plus 4 into 11 power 0 is 1, 4 into 1 is 4. So you will get 121 plus 4, 125 plus 33. Now 120 plus 30 is 150, 5 plus 3, 8. 158 will be your final answer. So in this way you can convert any number in any base to the number in base 10. Another example could be AD base 16. You want to convert this number into base 10. Now what A stand for? You know that in a base 16, the number are from 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. After 9, 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, D means 13, E means 14, and F means 15. So we have A and D, that is 10 and 13. So again, you want to convert this number into base 10, you have to expand this number in the power of 16. So I will multiply this A, this D with 16 power 0, unit digit with 16 power 0, A with 16 power 1. So what will my answer? A into 16 power 1 plus D into 16 power 0. A means 10, 10 into 16 is 160, plus D means 13, 13 16 power 0 is 1. So 160 plus 13, you will get 173 to the base 10. That will be your final answer. So in this class we have learned how to convert a number in any base to the number in base 10. In the next class we will continue with more on number systems. Thank you.